Hey everyone, I'm Brad Barker with Lizard Skins. Today we're going to be installing our rubber hockey grip. Included in each package, you have the grip, install solution, and an instruction sheet that shows you step by step how to install. On our rubber hockey grip, we have a hexagon texture, and included in the texture are part lines or cut lines to actually customize the length of your grip. Everyone has a preferred length on what they would use. If you want to cut the grip shorter, we have another video that'll actually show you how to do the cutting. The first step is you're going to take the grip with the install spray and spray inside the grip and rotate and then spray the other end. And now you want to roll just to make sure that you have even solution on the inside of the grip. You're going to take the stick and spray all four sides. Take your grip, pinch the ends, and you'll get it on like this. And then you're going to rotate the grip and pull as you go down to get to the end. This is where you might want to use the towel to dry off some of the excess solution. And you're going to now line up the grip exactly to the top, and the texture is lined up perfectly.